Okay, number 40 of 100 series on jazz violin. I'm going to review the last two videos kind of right here, give you a little cheat sheet. I think this is important stuff. I'll also mention that you may have learned modes in a relative fashion, meaning like if it's all the white keys in the piano, from C to C would be Ionian, D to D would be Dorian, E to E would be Phrygian, F to F would be Lydian, G to G would be Mixolydian, A to A would be Aeolian, and B to B of all the white keys would be Locrian. I think that's a pretty useless way to think of it because it makes you double think on the gig. If you want to grab a mood from a certain mode and know the band's jamming in E, it's like Jeopardy. It's like, okay, so the band's in E, and I want to do that Mixolydian thing. So therefore, the Mixolydian is from the fourth degree of the scale. The band is in E. So if I do the E major scale from the fourth note, but wait a minute, is that in the right key? What's the fourth note of E? So the song's over, the chord's gone by that time. So it's much more important, I think, as an improviser, to learn the chords parallelly, which is not a word in the dictionary I found out. I tried to figure out how to spell it. Where are the two L's? There's two L's in the end, two L's in the middle? I don't know. Anyways, in a parallel fashion, I think it should be a word. Anyways, in a parallel fashion, which means you'll play all the scales like this. D, Ionian, which is major. This way you can hear it from the same tonic. D, D, Dorian. Flat 3, flat 7, Dorian. Phrygian, flat 2, flat 3, flat 6, flat 7. D. Lydian, sharp 4. D. Mixolydian, flat 7. D. Used in rock and roll all the time. Rolling Stones, everybody used that one. All right. Aeolian, D, flat 3, flat 6, flat 7. D. And the crazy one, Locrian, Loco, flat 2, flat 3, flat 5, flat 6, flat 7. D. Okay, there they are. There's kind of like an oral cheat sheet for you. You can write them down, memorize them, play them in every key you possibly can. It won't hurt you none. It's theoretical kind of nonsense in a lot of ways and leads you to elitism, which we hate. But don't get too trapped up in those. Just know that all of them use all 12 notes of the chromatic scale eventually. So, and it helps you learn which ones pull which way so you can create any as you need. As we get into more chord theory or mechanics, you'll find where these fit later. Practice.